Missouri and Illinois seeing a major spike in COVID-19 this weekend. Fox News' Michelle MADARES breaks down the numbers and has a reaction on the latest uptick.
Illinois had a record-breaking number of COVID-19 cases reported on Saturday with more than 6,000. Meanwhile, here in Missouri, we're also seeing a major spike, and we now rank 10th in the country for the highest transmission rate. This comes as the country sees unprecedented levels of COVID-19. As of Friday, there were 83,000 new cases on record. That's the highest since July, and 224,000 deaths since the onset of the virus. It's becoming all the more common for you or someone you know to have had it.
This my youngest 14-year-old. When they did a follow-up 3 times, it's like he already had it.
Illinoisans anticipate new restrictions on indoor dining in bars as the number of cases on Saturday reached 6,161. That's about 800 more cases than its single-day high in September. And that rounds out the state's 7-day average to about 4,300 new cases, along with 63 new deaths. Given the spike, it begs the question if people are keeping up with the current recommendations.
I'm a chef by trade. So washing my hands all the time is something I've always done. And I think in the restaurant industry, we always washed our hands to keep people safe. So when you tell me to wear a mask to keep people safe, it's kind of natural for me to do that. It's not an inconvenience at all.
It's a numbers game, and I think it's politics is a big part of it. But no, I definitely, I don't like the masking. I don't think that I don't think that any part of the restrictions are helping us.
Meanwhile, in Missouri, the state recorded 2,918 new cases. It's the third largest single-day increase. But keep in mind that the state has had some issues when it comes to its online database. There were also 113 new deaths reported on Saturday. And previous to this news, the White House Coronavirus Task Force issued a report saying that Missouri had the 8th highest positivity rate of 10.1%, and that 62% of our counties are in the red zone.
I think the one thing that's been lacking is clear direction. And I think there's a little bit of ambiguity out there. We live in St. Louis City. We follow one set of rules. St. Louis County follows another set of rules. St. Charles County has another set of rules. Illinois has another set of rules. And I think it's disconcerting. I think within the St. Louis metro area, people go where they can get what they want.
Here in the city of St. Louis, there were 66 new patients admitted on Saturday, and that's up from 42, which brings the 7-day average to 50 new patients a day. In downtown St. Louis, Michelle MADARES.